Hello and good morning everyone. In our today's discussion we are going to see anti-PUD drugs, anti-peptic ulcer disease drugs that are used to manage peptic ulcer disease. By means of introduction, peptic ulcer disease is a condition of gastrointestinal system that is associated with excessive acid production in the GIT. That is why it is called peptic. Peptic here stands for acid. Peptic stands for acid, so call it peptic ulcer disease or acid ulcer disease. Anyone, how does it occur? Actually, in the GIT we have two important things. We have what is called the GIT. We have GIT attackers. We have GIT attackers, just like in football. Then we have what is called GIT defenders. We have defenders and we have attackers. Good example of the GIT attackers, we have the hydrochloric acid. Good example is the hydrochloric acid. Another example is the gastric juice. Another example of GIT attacker, we have some bacteria like the H. pylori. Then we have GIT defenders. Good example is the mucous membrane. We have mucous membrane. We have the bicarbonate. We have again what is called prostaglandins. These acid or attackers, what they do is they always try to attack the GIT wall to cause lesion or erosion on the GIT membrane, while these GIT defenders, they always try to protect, to give protection to the GIT lining. So in a healthy person, there is a balance between GIT attackers and GIT defenders. If there is disruption in this balance between the GIT attackers and the GIT defenders, the end result might be peptic ulcer disease. So what we are saying is, when the GIT attackers overpower the GIT defenders, there are chances of developing peptic ulcer disease. Or when the GIT defenders can no longer contain the GIT attackers, then there might be chances of developing peptic ulcer disease. Now, let us see the causes of peptic ulcer disease. There are several causes. I will just mention probably most important ones. Okay, number one, we have stress. Causes of PUD, causes of peptic ulcer disease. Number one, we should mention stress. Okay, stress of all form, be it hypoglycemic stress or physical stress. Stress was reported to increase acid production as well as tamper with the integrity of GIT mucous lining, and therefore give room for easy attack by the attackers. So stress of all form can lead to peptic ulcer disease. Then number two, we have a bacteria that is called Helicobacter pylori. Helicobacter pylori is a bacteria that was reported to be eating on the mucous membrane, thereby tampering with the integrity of that mucous membrane, and again giving room for attackers to attack. That is why it is one of the major causes of PUD. Then number three, we have our own drugs. Okay, drugs. With the example here, we can mention non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug answer like the diclofenac. Because these drugs are acidic in nature, when taken chronically for a long period of time, they stand a big chance of precipitating what is called peptic ulcer disease. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye.